Alright guys, I'm doing a different kind of video. I know it's really different compared to the rest of the ones I've done before, but I have reached a milestone. I actually have 1,000 subscribers and I wanted to share with you really just 2 things. It's going to be a short video that can help you explode your YouTube. So let's rock it. My name is Shelly Hopkins, and I teach you affiliate marketing and YouTube. And today we're going to talk about YouTube because I recently reached 1,000 subscribers, and it is my duty to help you. So I wanted to do this kind of video to make it different and to help you. Also, you're going to want to subscribe. So hit that button and look forward to the next couple of videos because I'm going to do a small series actually on YouTube, and we're going to get into all of the small tips and tricks and all the little stuff that you can do. But first, this is going to be the most important video because I wanted to share really it's just 2 things that can explode your YouTube. And it's what got me, honestly, when I finally realized what I needed to do. It's what got me to 1,000 subscribers. Ready? 1. And the most important, I'm going to say first. I'm not holding anything back. I'm going to let you know. And everything that is going to be in all of these videos, including this one, is stuff that you don't hear all the time in all of the videos that you watch. Because when you watch those videos, you hear the same thing over and over again. I'm here to tell you the truth and the secrets and everything. 1, it's an accountability partner. You are thinking I'm crazy. It's an accountability partner. So first, if you can find one person, and even if it's in your niche or it's not in your niche, then you can, talk to one another. You can help one another, and instead of having to hire a coach, just have your accountability partner, your friend, help you and remind you need to do this. You need to post your videos. And the second thing is a group. Create your own small little group. Where it doesn't have to be like a actual official group on Facebook. I mean, it can, but we had one that was we just messaged people, and it was like 5 people, and that's what got me started the most. When I first got serious, I got in this small group. It was like 5 people, and we started killing it. And that's when we would be like, we have to post this video. We have to do this. And everybody in the group would help each other post their videos, and we would also watch one another's videos. We subscribed to one another, and we would watch the video, the whole full video. Like the second that you make your video, you would post it and have everybody watch it. We would comment, everything. And then we would let each other know that we did that. That, honestly, is what got me started doing everything that started going up. And it has helped me tremendously. So you got to do that, okay? And number 2 is share it. Sharing your video out everywhere to all the platforms. Now, share it to Facebook. I do Twitter. I mean, not Twitter. I share it to TikTok. I create like a little bitty intro, and then I say, ooh, watch the rest of it on YouTube. See, it's a good tip, isn't it? You might like this video. Thank you. And one of the coolest things is I actually have, I'll tell my secret. It's called Lead Gen Secret. I think I actually have a video. I'll post it up here too. It's on my channel, but I get 200 people a day, 200 leads a day, and I'll send my video out to all of those people. I'm up to I think it's 59,000 people because it's $30 a month. I'll be honest up front. But for all of those people, that's 6,000 people a month, 6,000 people. So anyways, but what I do is I'll first put the email out on Active Campaign, and then it's easy. You don't have to have a separate email. You just copy it all, put it in Lead Gen Secrets, and so I have those people watching the video, that's in my group, the group, and then them sending out in your email. So send it out to your autoresponder, and then send it out to Lead Gen Secrets, and then you have to go to send it to Facebook and to Instagram, and then I do TikTok. You know, there's also like Reddit and stuff like that, but that's a whole different ball game. I was trying to play with it a little bit, but yeah, you can hurt yourself too that way, so I've kind of walked away from it. But okay, really, those are the biggest 2 things that helped me get to 1,000 subscribers, and they're huge, guys. I mean, don't take it lightly. If you do that, you will succeed. Do me a favor, of course, if I'm going to do more videos on YouTube on this series, so you want to subscribe, and if you got anything out of this video, like, okay? Look forward to the next ones, guys. It's going to be good, okay? And again, this is a little different because I'm celebrating the whole 1,000 subscribers, so I'm here to help you. I would rather even teach you than do anything else because I love this, so I will look forward to seeing you soon. And do me a favor, there's going to be another video. That's my cat. There's going to be another video. Watch that video because it's going to be good and you're going to like it. All right?